Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashlyn. If you're new here, I do wellness and beauty video content, a lot of hauls, a lot of try-ons, and I'm going to be testing a lot of beauty products coming up and showing you some videos there. So if you're interested, then subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like Lululemon hauls, because they've been very popular on my channel, so I will continue to share my obsession with Lululemon. So yeah, let's get started. I have a few tops to share with you, a jacket, and I also wanted to show you what my groove pant looks like cropped. Or well, hemmed, because they come in a 31 inch, which is way too long. So I did mention in one of my previous videos that I'll show you what it looks like once I get it actually hemmed to my length, so you can see what it looks like and if you want to purchase it. Okay, so the first top I want to share with you, I can't believe that I haven't tried this before, but this is the Cool Racerback Short Tank in the Nulu fabric. Oh my goodness, this was actually on We Made Too Much, which is the section of the website that has marked down items. So it is their, staple Cool Racerback. It's just that this one color, which is trench, was on markdown, which is amazing because you can get a discount on it. So this is what it looks like. It is the most buttery soft, just like fun material. It's so stretchy and comfortable. It is supposed to have like a contoured fit, so it like hugs your waist, which is very flattering. It is the short length. It does come longer, so if you do want it past your hip, then I recommend getting the longer one, but this one is a nice crop. It kind of just hits me at like my waistband of my leggings, and it's a tight fit. Racerback cut gives your shoulders full range of motion. You see here how it has the logo on the back, and it's just a very flattering cut and crop. I will say that this color might not be like the most flattering on me personally. I have a very like warm neutral undertone, and this kind of has a olivey sort of undertone. So if you have olive in your skin, then definitely pick this up because it'll look beautiful on you. So that is the Cool Racerback. And then I wanted to show you what I'm currently wearing, which is actually the All Aligned mock neck long sleeve, I believe it's called. I will link it below if it's still in stock in this color. This is French press, which is very popular. It's a dark brown. It's really a rich, nice color, but it has this beautiful mock neck, and then it is actually even just cropped. I will stand back and do like try on portion clips so you'll see what it looks like properly, but it is so soft. I love it so much. The material, again, it's that Align material, the Nulu, which is beautiful. It is a bit thinner than I was expecting, but I like it because for spring, you want to be kind of cool because it does get a little bit warmer outside. Yeah, I just think this color is really flattering. The cut is really flattering as it's like up my neck a little bit. It's really stretchy, so it's easy to put on and take off. I will have all the links below if you want to shop. But yeah, I've been loving this. And then something else that everyone on here knows that I love because I talk, well, I don't know if I talk about it a lot, but I wear it a lot. Like every day you'll see me in one of these. This is it's Rulu Ren cropped half zip and in the black color. I just had to. It's just a staple. This is made out of the Rulu material, which is what the like ready to Rulu joggers are made out of. It's just this very soft, sweat wicking 4-way stretch and quick drying fabric that is just amazing. It's like as soft as Align, but it's more durable, and it's like slightly fleecier. It's like a brushed Align almost. Hard to describe, but you just have to touch it. It's very stretchy, so comfortable. Again, with this like high neck, it's really flattering, especially if you have a really long neck. And it's a half zip. It's just cropped in all the right places. The sleeves are long enough. They have thumb holes. They have the cuffins, which cover your hands if it's a little chilly outside and you're going for a brisk walk or run. And I just love these. I live in them. I have one in warm coral and the Heritage 365 camo. Highly, highly recommend this. This is like one of my favorite pieces that Lululemon has, and I will continue to wear them and purchase them. So definitely check this out if you haven't already. Go touch it in store, go try it on, you're gonna love it. Okay, so for jacket, this is so random, but I saw that it was on the We Made Too Much portion of the website again, so it was discounted. This is the Sleek City jacket. I think it's gonna be a perfect springtime jacket because it's pretty lightweight, it's cropped, it looks kind of stylish with the asymmetrical zip and the high neck, but you can also zip it down and have sort of like a collared sort of look. By the way, all of these tops and things that I'm sharing is in size 6. I will tell you otherwise if it's not. Soft matte fabric is water repellent and windproof. PrimaLoft insulation is warm even when wet. Panels of 4-way stretch fabric in the sleeve. Insulated wind guard at the neck. Zippered pockets with a hidden phone sleeve. And interior pockets to hold the essentials. So there are 2 pockets on the sides on the outsides. Zipper is nice and sturdy, and then yes, there are zippered pockets on the inside as well, on both sides. And I like how the underarm part is like this ribbed material. It gives it some nice texture and stretch. I do typically find that if a top is tight on me, it's usually tight in like the shoulder and arm area, but this one fits perfectly. The only thing I will say is that I wish that the bottom where it's cropped was a bit tighter around the waist, but that's not really a deal breaker for me because if I do layer this piece up, then it'll be nice and roomy. So I don't mind too much, but overall I have high expectations for this in the spring, and I think it's a really nice jacket just to add into my wardrobe. Okay, and then the bra that I got is the Free to Be Wild bra for A to B cup in electric lemon. It is beautiful. I love this color because it is just so flattering for my skin tone. It makes me look way more tan than I actually am. And it's just so neon and fun for spring. I'm trying to add more color into my wardrobe and not just black, even though the last 2 things that I showed you were black, but I'm branching out, okay? I'm trying. This is the back of it. It has this like crosshatch sort of pattern. It's very, very comfortable. It's tight, which I like because it kind of like holds you in, but it's stretchy, so it's not uncomfortably tight. And I wear it all the time to work out, do hot yoga. This is just my favorite bra, so yeah. And also, spoiler alert, but I do have a video coming. It's a collab video with another YouTuber here who's really into Lululemon. If you can guess who it is, you can leave a comment below. But we have a collab coming and it's a Q&A, so be sure to check that out. That's really exciting, so stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss that. We'll be sharing all of the tea, and it's not even like hot tea, it's just like the good tea, you know, like all of our favorite pieces and answering questions that you guys might have had and have submitted, so thank you. So if you want to stick around and watch that, feel free to subscribe, it's free. Or if you were interested in any of these pieces, do click the links below. I will make a small commission, which helps my channel so much, so thank you, at no cost to you. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.